Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the home button. Keep holding it until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Once the logo appears, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots up into a system. Once the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. After you select the language, confirm by tapping on the check mark, and then you will need to select the region. So select the region from the list. I'm gonna select just a random one and then tap on restart. While the watch is rebooting, we need to download and install the Galaxy wearable application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the Play Store on your phone, tap on search and type in Galaxy wearable and tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Galaxy wearable. Tap on it, select it, and tap on the install button to download and install it. After the application is done installing, you will see the open button and you can tap on it to open the app. And here we have the Galaxy wearable application, the watch rebooted, it says welcome. So now we can tap on the start in the app, allow the required permissions, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch. As you can see, it says available devices. Tap on it. Tap on pair. If you see this pop up and tap on OK, it will redirect you to the Play Store, and what we need to do is basically install the Galaxy Watch 7 plugin. So let's tap on install, wait until it's done installing. And after this plugin is done installing, we can go back to the Galaxy wearable application and it should continue. So let's wait. As you can see, it moved on, and here we can log in into a Samsung account. This is useful if you want to use the Samsung Health, fund your device and backup your device. I don't want to use any of these features, so I'm gonna tap on skip, but if you want to, tap on sign in and log in into a Samsung account. Here we need to check the box, the first one. Rest of them are optional, and once you select one or all of them, tap on continue, tap on allow the permission, I don't know why this app needs so many permissions, but most of them are required. This one is not. This is for the notifications, and basically if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And right here we can basically sign in to a Google account on our watch, basically copy Google account from our phone to our watch. This is useful if you want to use Google services on your watch, like Google Play Store, Gmail, maybe some kind of like YouTube and stuff like that. So if you want to use Google services on your phone, tap on next, or basically you will, if you have one more account right here on the list, you can select one and then tap on next. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. I'm gonna log in because I will be using the Google services, so confirm it. Here we can scroll down and tap on agree. And right here we can install additional apps. Basically, you can open this list. This is recommended for me because I already have it on my phone, so that's why it's recommending the app, but you can check or uncheck the app from the apps rather from the list, the ones that you want to install, and if you tap on continue, it will basically install the apps in the background. I'm just gonna tap on skip because I don't want to install any applications. On this page, tap on next, and it will prompt you to install the Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. Tap on install. And after the app is done installing, you can go back to the Galaxy wearable. And here, if you want to use this Smart Switch app to back up your data and stuff like that, you will need to tap on allow and allow all of the permissions. If you don't care, you can tap on deny and keep them denied and basically not use this app. And here we can select the preferred wrist, preferred button position, then tap next. Here you can create a custom workout routines if you like to by tapping on this button. I believe you will need to log into Samsung account to do that, but I'm not gonna be bothering with it, so I'm gonna tap on next, 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 and wait until the setup is finished. And here we have our Galaxy Watch 7 in the app rather, and it's still starting, but after a second or two it should be ready to use. So let's wait a bit more. And here we can tap on start to basically see the tutorial how to use the watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip to skip it, and the watch is ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.